This Swansboro Port Realty property video is presented by Lori Hagman, Broker Associate, Property Manager. 2-bedroom and unit townhome. Well maintained. New LVP flooring being installed in kitchen as well as all new carpet between tenants. Upgraded fixtures, appliances, flooring in bathrooms/foyer. Privacy fenced backyard. Centrally located to shopping, dining and main gate of Camp Lejeune in Marsh Oaks. Corner electric fireplace in living room and spacious kitchen with laundry area. Pass-through window between kitchen and living room. Small patio and storage room in backyard. Pets negotiable under 40 pounds. No dangerous breeds/mixes. Applicant to verify schools. Acreage and square footage populated from Onslow County tax data. For more information, review the details below or contact Lori Hagman, Broker Associate, Property Manager at 910-326-8855.